Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your career and your relationship, guys. So this is for your daily energy, guys. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. So we'll open the cards as we proceed, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck, and we'll open that card at last, guys. Virgos, for your daily energies, Virgos, 8 of Cups in reverse. Virgos, with this card, the energy is that, guys, you are simply having a great time today. Maybe you are celebrating something with your person, some success has come in your work situation or your relationship. Maybe you are deepening your relationship, you are going or you have accepted a proposal and you are celebrating this connection, or maybe some success related to your work. So some project completions, or you have signed some deals, some important deals. So that may be the energy here, guys. So some kind of celebration and feasting. You are going to a party, or you may be going to dinners. So that is also what I see here, guys. So some kind of celebration is underway and you are really happy today, Virgos. That is what I see here, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career, guys. 2 of Pentacles. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you are deciding between some two options, or you are balancing between some two choices that you have. Maybe you have taken up a second career and you are balancing your time between both. Maybe something hobby oriented, like some kind of an art you may be into. So you are balancing your time, being flexible and adaptable today, guys. Trying to accommodate that second job or that hobby in your life, in your day. So you are accommodating yourself. That is what I see here. Or maybe this new life with this person, you are you want to spend time with them, and at the same time you have work. So you are balancing your time, your days, how in order to have that quality time with this person, guys. So that is also what I see here, Virgos. Let us see what is this card for your relationship. The Tower in reverse. With this card, guys, the energy, maybe you are realizing something about this relationship. Maybe you are realizing that this is the person, and there is a sudden change in the way you see this relationship. Maybe you are going forward with a commitment, guys. So you are having certain revelations, some truthful revelations today, maybe regarding this person. It may be something good or something bad, guys. So with the previous cards we saw some kind of positive energy. So I feel here that this may be a good time for your relationship. Though this card may denote otherwise, it can just mean that you are quite emotional today and you will be seeing sudden changes in your relationship. So maybe you are your person is coming forward with a proposal and you are emotional today, and maybe the sudden change in your relationship, maybe the way you both see this relationship, you want to deepen that connection, you want that proposal and marriage with this person. So that may be the reason for that sudden change in the way you feel about this relationship, and you are breaking away from your pattern that is also there. So maybe this proposal is changing the actual way you both feel about this relationship, guys. And maybe you both are taking a holiday, spending quality time together, or you may be spending you want to spend quality time with your person, guys. So that is also the energy here, Virgos. Let us see what is the card for your oracle guidance message. We'll turn the card now, Virgos. Message in a bottle. With this card, Virgos, the guidance for you all is that you are getting some kind of important communication today, guys. Maybe a phone call, email, or some new opportunity that is taking you towards something really good. So maybe sometimes you may be seeing signs, some kind of intuitions. You may be seeing a sign on a passing vehicle, or some signs when you are outside. So certain things maybe they're pointing you towards some direction, so that may be the right direction you should go, guys. So you need to be attentive today. So whatever comes your way, you need to be aware of those signs. So when you see those signs or some intuitive guidance, you need to have trust that it is the universe guiding you in that way, guys. And whatever is the direction, it is going to work for your benefit. It is going to turn out to be a very favorable news. So even in your relationship, so we saw some sudden changes, so it may be something good. That is what I was telling you all. So maybe some positive news may be coming in form of letters or emails. If you are in a long distance relationship, you may be getting some important emails from this person confirming their love for you, or they are coming to visit you, have this party or something, attending a party with you, maybe some plans, or they may be inviting you. So something good, something to strengthen this connection will happen, guys. So that is the energy here. And for your work situation also, guys, maybe you will be getting some new opportunity or some important phone calls, some business contacts. So whatever it is, it will take you few steps towards your goals, whatever you want to achieve in life. So some intuitive guidance or signs, something may be pointing you in your life, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance for you all, Virgos, and that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.